Here are some reasons why milk and dairy products cause snoring. Increased mucus production. Dairy products, such as milk, cheese, ice cream, can increase mucus production in the throat and nose. Excess mucus narrows the airways and causes snoring while sleeping. Causes inflammation or irritation in some people. In people with a sensitive constitution or mild allergy to milk, although not a severe allergy, milk can cause mild inflammation in the lining of the airways, causing swelling and narrowing of the airways. Increased risk of acid reflux. Fatty dairy products, such as ice cream, cheese, can slow digestion, increase the risk of acid reflux while sleeping, irritate the throat, and increase snoring. Not everyone snores because of milk, but if you find that drinking milk before bed increases snoring, you should avoid or reduce your intake before going to bed.